Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. Some really important news for you this morning. Just before we go live for the opening bell, my premiere is coming up in a few minutes' time. If you want to be in our competition, just click up here and that will take you to all of those investing videos in that playlist. But right now, Virgin Orbit is the story of the day. I'm actually at Virgin Orbit. Right now, I'm just literally physically around the corner, but I am right around the corner and I'm going back there again today. Virgin Orbit has now left the US and has arrived here in the UK. It has arrived at Cornwall and it is at the Newquay airport, and we're very, very excited because the stock price is surging right now, despite the fact it's being incredibly shorted, very much like the story of Tesla. What's happening right now, a lot of people are shorting the stock, trying to bring it down, so I am expecting a short squeeze. As you know, I never short stocks. I don't believe in it. I don't believe in the whole principle of it. Everybody at the factory is building and making a fantastic product, and we know this is going to work. Now, particularly with the war in Ukraine raging, this type of technology is more important than ever. I believe that this technology will be used in upcoming conflicts and in space and so on. So it's not just about putting satellites in space for commercial purposes. It could be used for military purposes as well. So I'm actually at the space station. I know exactly what's going on. It's the UK spaceport here in Newquay, Cornwall, and the stock has surged. Now what I've done, if you can see, it's up 3.7. It popped yesterday as well and dropped back. I think I've got like 7 or 8% discount on the stock. It's at all-time low, and if you can see, despite the markets are down, my portfolio is moving up, about to turn green, and that is predominantly because of Virgin Orbit. So Virgin Orbit is not to be confused with Virgin Galactic. Very, very important you understand that, but the two correlate with technologies and marketing. And I do believe that that from this price here, let me go back to Virgin Orbit, we can very, very easily 10x. Most analysts are saying the minimum and the median is $12. We're at $2 now, $2.80, and the reason for this is it's being incredibly shorted. People are trying to bring it down, which, as I say, I always love the red days, always love the shorters. They always win the battles, but they always lose the wars. So it presents me, an investor, rather than a scalp trader, the opportunity to buy discounted stock. So I'm very excited about it. We're coming up to, what's the time now? 7 minutes to go before my premiere in the morning. Hopefully you'll join me, because click up there. It doesn't show now. This is a live video. It'll show there soon. If you want to be part of our investing videos every day until I return from my vacation. Who's with me this morning? Come on into the live chat. Let me know you're here. I'd love to answer your question. If you have a question for Virgin Orbit, put it to me now and I will try and get your question answered. I'm going to go back to the airport today, report from there. More information. Good morning, Queen. I am here. Jason Fallon. Hello, sir. Good morning to you. Good morning, all. Welcome, welcome. So I'm going to go back to the space station. I think Virgin Orbit's got it all going on. The flight is scheduled for the end of this month. I might just miss the actual flight. Unfortunately, these things are beyond my control. But we are scheduled with a flight now. The some of the equipment has arrived today at the spaceport here in Cornwall. It's literally about a mile, just a couple of miles from where I am, so I can get to it quite quickly. We are having the flight at the end of this month, 29th of October or just into November. I haven't got that confirmed yet, but very, very excited about that. That's just a few days away now. The price is holding up. Now remember, it's shorted heavily today. People are trying to bring the stock down. If I show you it a couple of days ago, you can see this is the overall chart of Virgin Orbit. As you can see there, there's the overall position. We are at an all-time low right now, looking very, very interesting. And the reason why it is so low is it's just like the story of Tesla. It's being overshorted. But if you have any questions that you want put to Virgin Orbit, please let me know. All right, so there you go. I will join you all in a minute, in 5 minutes now, for the premiere of my opening and closing bell shows. While I'm away, I'm running a series of investing videos, which if you watch, you can enter and be in a free draw to win the star prize from my merch shop. You can choose whatever you want by simply watching them, leaving a comment, and the comment, of course, is in our weekly newsletter, so you all know what that is. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you all back later. If you have any questions for Virgin Orbit, put it below this video. It's a very rare occasion it was the first time ever that I'm going to get the opportunity to go to Virgin Orbit. So if you've got any questions, I will do my very best to find out for you directly from Virgin Orbit itself. But I'm very excited about it. I love when a stock that's got good fundamentals and good values and good principles gets shorted, because it just means it presents me the opportunity to buy in. And what we could have at any moment now is a short squeeze. As this starts to, over the next week or so, start to make the local media and start to spread around the world with the flight going ahead, which it is, this stock could get a short squeeze and very, very easily go to $6 to $7 straight out the gate. Would I sell it? No, because I know that this stock could be a $20 stock in a year's time. So I'm not really going to scalp it. I just want to get in at the very lowest price. So there you go. Virgin Orbit, I've got to go. I'll join you in just a few minutes time.